This exercise is called hip fold with toe tapping. It is a great exercise to strengthen your lower abdominal muscles to help keep your lower back very strong, very stable, and also can help to balance the right left side of your body. Okay? First, you lie down. Get the hair out, the pin out of the way. And set up in a neutral position. And you bring one leg up into tabletop. And you bring the other leg up into tabletop. Okay? And then you lower one leg down and up. Lower the other leg down and up. Okay? One leg down and up. Other leg down and up. Couple of things I want you to pay attention is that when you lower the leg, do not let your back follow it. Yeah? Don't let your back come off the mat. In fact, you need to stay where it is with the low back as you're moving through your legs. So stay in that stable position as you move with your legs. Okay? And another thing I want you to pay attention is to pull your lower abs in slightly before your movement. That's going to help you stay more stable in your trunk, in your body. Okay? So you pull the belly in slightly, belly button into your spine. And you pull it in and you lower the leg. Okay? Okay? Notice also that my neck, my shoulders, and my head are pretty relaxed. So you want to stay relaxed in this upper part of your body and focus on the low part.